Listen. That's the sound of a moment you can't get back. And if you're trusting a GoPro in 2026 to catch it, you might be making a $1 million mistake. The action camera wars have changed. I froze them, drowned them, dropped them from drones, and slammed them into mountainsides. One brand didn't just survive, it redefined toughness. Its footage in low light made my jaw drop. Today, I'm exposing which legacy brand is cutting corners, which cheap camera is secretly brilliant, and revealing the new king of the mountain. If your next adventure deserves the absolute best evidence, don't blink. Number 1. GoPro Hero 11 Black. That's all it takes to get incredible highlight videos sent to your phone automatically. Start your journey by capturing your adventures with the Hero 11 Black, the most powerful GoPro yet, designed to enhance your photography and videography experience. It boasts both front and rear LCD screens that allow you to frame your shots perfectly, ensuring you never miss that perfect moment. Equipped with a revolutionary new image sensor, the Hero 11 Black delivers the tallest and widest field of view ever seen on a Hero camera. This advanced technology results in significantly higher image quality and improved video stabilization, which means you can focus on your adventure without worrying about shaky footage. Whether you want to create wide cinematic shots or opt for extra tall vertical shots ideal for social media posts, the Hero 11 Black provides unmatched flexibility to bring your creative vision to life. Number 2. DJI Osmo Action 3 Standard. HDR video technology offers an impressive visual experience by producing vivid colors and natural details, even in high-contrast conditions. The advanced 10-bit color depth effectively captures an immense spectrum of over 1 billion colors, making every scene more lifelike and immersive. For adventure enthusiasts, the Action 3 camera features Horizon Steady, a cutting-edge stabilization technology that ensures smooth and level footage, no matter the activity. Whether you're skiing down powdery slopes, skydiving through the clouds, or biking across rocky terrain, this technology guarantees cinematic quality, allowing you to capture every exhilarating moment of your adventures. Built for durability, the Action 3 camera boasts an impressive battery life of up to 160 minutes, making it perfect for extended outings. Number 3. GoPro Hero 9 Black. Shoot stunning video with up to 5K resolution, which is perfect for maintaining serious detail even when zooming in. The Hero 9 Black is equipped with a brand new 23.6 MP sensor that serves as an absolute powerhouse for video capture, delivering lifelike image sharpness and fluid motion. With advanced in-camera horizon leveling technology, the camera ensures your shots are always composed perfectly, making it an impressive option for adventurers and content creators alike. When it comes to photography, the Hero 9 Black lets you capture crisp, pro-quality photos with a remarkable 20 MP clarity. Thanks to the Super Photo feature, the camera automatically selects the optimal image processing techniques, simplifying the process for users and ensuring that nailing the shot is a breeze, regardless of the shooting environment. Number 4. GoPro Hero 12 Black. Hero 12 Black represents a significant advancement in camera technology, offering users unmatched image quality that elevates their photography and videography experiences. With the integration of high dynamic range, HDR, capabilities, this camera enhances both video recordings, available in stunning resolutions of 5.3K and 4K, and photographic outputs, providing users with exceptional clarity and detail. The HDR feature excels in diverse lighting conditions, adept handling scenes that encompass both shadows and bright highlights. It meticulously captures subtle nuances within the frame that might ordinarily vanish into dark regions or be overexposed in brightly lit areas. This leads to the creation of dynamic footage rich in lifelike colors and precise details, ensuring that the final output is not just visually appealing but also true to the actual scene. Number 5. GoPro MAX2. Never aim your camera, but instead capture everything around you in stunning true 8K 360 video. This innovative technology results in up to 21% more resolution compared to competitors, ensuring that your footage is of the highest quality. To start recording, simply hit the shutter button. There's no need to worry about framing your shot or the positioning of your camera. The MAX2 is designed to capture all surroundings in breathtaking detail, making it incredibly user-friendly. After recording, You can effortlessly switch to the GoPro Quick app to reframe your 360 footage into traditional 4K videos. This process is made simple with just a few taps, allowing you to optimize your content for various platforms. The Ultra HD videos produced can be easily saved, shared, and posted as you would with any standard video. Furthermore, these videos can be played back on multiple devices including your smartphone, television, and more, enhancing the versatility of your recorded content. So, is it time to switch brands, or does the old guard still hold the crown? The data, and the footage, speaks for itself. If this brutal testing saves your next epic clip from being a blurry mess, smash that like button, it helps fund our next crazy experiment. Share this with your adventure squad. And subscribe because next week, we're testing a camera so small, it hides in your helmet. Ready to capture your story? The winning camera, the best mounts, and indestructible memory cards are all linked for you in the description below. Now go get the shot.